Welcome this video. Create Pallet Deck idea to transforming your outdoor space. Pallet Deck is an affordable and centrability a way to create a beautiful outdoor space by repurposed wood pallet. You can build a functional and style depth without speed and whether you have a smart patio, a backyard, or a balcony. Pallet Deck can provide a unique charm to your outdoor area. Built, we explored various pallet deck idea, design type, consider to help you create your dream deck. When choose pallet deck before divide into design idea. It's inspired to understanding when pallet deck is a great optional. Here are a few recent budget friendly pallet are often affordable for remove or at a low cost. Make theme or budget consider choice. Customization use the point